All right, guys, I think we're on day 5 of this clean my craft room with me. Um, and although we do have a few little things to do, the main thing I want to work on today, we only have a couple big things left, which is the desk, which is where I've just been throwing crap. And this shelf here, which I don't know if you can see, which is pretty much good to go. But we're going to go through it all. And yeah, we'll see where we are from there. So I'm going to put you down and I'll let you watch what I'm doing for a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Taco just saw Grim. So let the fight begin. Okay. Marker repair kit for wood has to go downstairs. Actually, I'm going to put that. I don't know where I'm putting that. Stainless steel watch thing has to go downstairs. These have to go downstairs. Tape. Go in adhesives. This toothbrush kit. Oops. Did I knock everything out? What happened there? Okay. This little toothbrush kit. I'm going to put it in the little blending brushy thingy. Here's the drawing. This little thingy. It works. Where's the little thing at? Turn it on and off somehow. Here. I'm not quite sure what you do with it. I knew at one point, but I don't remember now, so that's sitting there. This is just an empty case that I was going to take out the inserts for. That's trash. That's trash. Here's more tape. All right. Let me just clean this up. These have to get washed. It's got to get washed. Oh, found it. Been looking for that forever. All right, guys, I think we're in the home stretch. I want to figure out what to do with these stencils. The box, the binder is way too big, way too heavy, just too much. So I need to figure out what to do with that. Taco. And then my problem is, I don't know what to do with this, number one. I think I might want to dig through that container closet over here. You guys see it? Because it's cold in there. And get another one of these out. I think I might have one of these 12 by 12 thingies. If I do, that would be great. And hold on, I gotta take care of taco. Okay, so we're gonna go in here and see if we can find another one of those. Let me get a flashlight. Hang on. Use my phone. Okay. We need one of the 12 by 12s, which I think that's one right there. You guys see it underneath the black and white thing? I think that's what we're going to use. There's mostly containers in here, guys. All right, I'll be back. Hey, Taco. It's a taco break. Taco. It's some taco loving. Just get your taco loving. Taco's been going after the cats, haven't you? That's not good. We're taking a taco break. Everybody grab your taco. And give her some loving. Alright. Problem with my taco is once you give her some, she wants it. Oh. Oh, yes. She loves that. She loves it. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, she loves it loving. Oh. Taco's very needy. Little tail wagging. You see it? These are babies. Here's my lovies. Alright, stay away from the cats. Let's finish the video. We're almost done, Taco. We did a good job in here for all these days, huh? Don't you think? You're a good helper. Not at all. But with Booster. Booster up. Okay. This, I thought was a 12 by 12. It is not. It's actually something I got from Goodwill for $3.99 apparently. It is 13 by 10 by 4. But I think we'll be able to downsize some of these in move your cute hiney in the binder over into here. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, smells like the Goodwill. It's not a good smell. The Goodwill smells like old basement. Any Goodwill I've ever been into, it smells like old basement. Okay. So here, move you guys. I don't want you to fall. Don't fall. Steady feet, steady feet. So I think what we'll do, I like to put these in page protectors. Will that fit? No. Will that fit? You will fit if I take you out. What do you guys see? I'm going to flip you around so you guys can see. Alright, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. What I'm doing right now is just taking the ones I can out of this book. I'm just going to take the loose ones out for now. And we'll put them in here. Apparently not them. Oh, they're on a ring anyway. Alright, that's fine. These big ones won't fit. I want to be able to maneuver the stencils in a better way. So they're not flip-flopping all over the place, and it's not super heavy like I said. So, let's see what we got going on here. I like to try to keep... Why can't I... Ouch. Open this. I like to try to keep the samples with... What is... Oh, you're stuck on that side. So I'm an idiot. This has an A and a B. See, she's got A. Person before me. Let me get rid of that and make sure I get it thrown away because I got animals to walk through here and I don't want them getting stuck. A, and then there's the B. So this will fit fine. Just fold it up like that. Stick it in there. All right, that's good. Should get that staple. All right, so this one here and this one here. You could go, but you'd have to get folded. I don't want to fold it. That won't fit. I don't think I did a good job. I want a 12 by 12 of this. All the containers I have, and I don't have another 12 by 12. Makes me mad. To make me mad. Here comes Taco again. Here, a little bell. All right. You can ring my bell, my bell, ding dong ding. Hello. You back? Come over here. Come over here. Yes, I love you too. You got to get off there though, because I'm working on this. This is it's where I'm working. I'm working here. All right, stop. Stop chasing the cats, by the way. Stop. Stop. This is not any better at all. This thing is still heavy as can be. It's getting heavier by the day. So no more stencils for me. But should I just put this in there gently so it doesn't crease? Yes. All right. We have some stuff in here. We're going to move this over to here. You guys see what I'm doing now? Oops. I would much rather this be accessible near my desk, but it's not going to happen. It's too big and bulky. Stencils, stencils, stencils. These are little Crafter Square stencils. These are all from Dollar Tree. Okay. This is an empty box. It has to go inside the closet also. And we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. My goal is to not have anything in front of anything obstructing access like I have there. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. So it's still a work in progress. More to come.